Hi everyone, I'm Annette Morris, and I'm coming to you with a Peach Dessert Challenge 2019, and the host is This and That with Denise Jordan, Sit back and relax and see how I bring this all together. I was inspired by this recipe I found on Pinterest called the no-bake peach cheesecake cups, and I decided to give it a try, but with a little twist to it. So these are my ingredients, my main ingredients here. So my main ingredients would be these canned peaches here, and apples and blueberries. And I'm going to put together a crust that consists of graham cracker, butter, and oats, walnuts, and pecans. I'll be adding cinnamon, nutmeg, and sugar. Now when I find a recipe that I like, I usually take it and make it my own by adding and taking away different ingredients. And this one is just a regular graham cracker crust ingredients with the butter and the crumbled graham crackers. But I decided to put a little twist to it by adding oats, walnuts, and pecans. And this is the results of that. After firmly pushing the pie crust in the pie pan, and this is a round pie pan, you put it in the refrigerator to cool and to also to firm up. So while this is in the refrigerator, you're going to start preparing your peaches and your apple filling on top of the stove. You're going to add the same cinnamon, sugar, and nutmeg, and also butter to this mixture. And once you start cooking, you want to watch it, stir it up, and also add some brown sugar. Now this Pinterest recipe, the no-bake peach cheesecake, was my inspiration, and I decided to do it but with a little twist to it. Okay, so now I'm using the whipped cream, the cream cheese, and also butter mixed together. In this mixture also would be putting a little vanilla flavoring, and then once I get that together, I have to mix this thoroughly mix this. Mix well, no lumps. After thoroughly mixing, you want to add a little vanilla extract. Now it's time to take the crust and bake it. But you're going to bake it another way. You're going to bake this on top of the stove. You're now cooking this on top of the stove. So you're going to have a low heat, low fire. Placing an empty pot on top of the pie crust. You're going to cook it slow. You're going to check it every now and then to make sure it's cooking very slow and not burning. The butter will melt and the pie will firm up, but cook it slow. This should be completely done in 5 minutes. Then let it cool down and then place in the refrigerator to cool for 10 minutes. Now for the fillings. You have the peach apple filling and also the cheesecake fillings. You do the one layer, then the next layer. Put it in the refrigerator and let it firm up and chill. Now you have 2 pie fillings. Now we need a pie crust, another pie crust. And with this, you're going to mix it as it is on the package. Remember to always use fresh produce and also check your dates on your package. You're going to mix up this biscuit dough, and then we're going to drop biscuits in the skillet to make our crust on top. And this crust will be for our peach cobbler. Now you're going to remove your biscuit crust and replace it with your fillings. Simply replace the biscuit on top of the peach filling, peach and apple fillings, and you have a stovetop peach and apple cobbler. So from this inspiration here, we already have 2 desserts. And coming up next is our last one. From our mixture of nuts and oats and graham crackers, you're going to place at least 2 tablespoons in the bottom of a PARFAIT cup. You're going to then put in the filling, the cheesecake filling. You're going to fill it up all the way to the top. And then you're going to put graham crackers on top of that. And then you're going to put your apples and peaches filling on top of that. And then garnish it with all your fresh fruit. And there you have it. Peach apple cheesecake parfait cup. I would like to thank the lovely Denise Jordan for hosting this wonderful collaboration, and a playlist will be listed down below. Okay, so coming up is 3 desserts that I put together using this simple mixture and fillings. Comment down below and tell me which one that you prefer. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like, share, and comment. And of course, if you're not a part of my family here on my channel, subscribe. You may have noticed that my name has changed to A More Majestic Home Decor and DIYs and Lifestyle. This change is only for the better, so continue to subscribe and continue to be a part of my family. And to Amores, thank you, Amores, and see you next time.